Do you want to build a successful and winning strategy for your poultry business in Southeast Asia? Hi, I'm Carmelo Ferlito, the CEO of the Center for Market Education. Welcome to our Espresso Sips, where we bring to you the real energy of business and the economy. For many industries, Southeast Asia is the fastest growing market, and many people try to attack it. This is the same for the poultry industry. But please, don't jump in the dark. Do you want to build a successful and winning strategy for your poultry business in Southeast Asia? Come to the Center for Market Education. We have 15 years experience in the poultry market in Southeast Asia, and we are here to assist you with market research, business strategy, operation management, and a full range of services for make your venture in the poultry market in Southeast Asia a big hit. Contact us at the email address that you can see down here on the screen. Book an appointment, Poultry Intelligence Southeast Asia by the Center for Market Education.